Hello and welcome to the Cottages, a beautiful 1.5 acre property on the north end of Harbour Island. This consists of 3 cottages, all independently placed on these acreage on this property, and each one has its own kitchen, its own bath, bedroom. Let me show you what it looks like. Take a look. This is the first of the 3 cottages in the Narrows. I'd love to show you. You've got a beautiful living room, and notice lots of light, nice high ceilings, a small kitchen to the side here. It's got a cooktop, you've got a refrigerator and freezer. There's a microwave stashed in there and a nice little sink. So it's ample for a cottage this size. Your bedroom features beautiful high ceilings, and look at that view. It looks out on the pink sand beach, and because you have windows on 2 sides, lots of light coming into this spot. Ample storage space, nice big closets, a lot of room for all your towels and your beachwear, and that walks into this beautiful shower. Look how high this is. This awesome outdoor shower is actually a palm tree that was brought in from Asia. So one of the cool things about this property is it's dotted with these palms that toppled over in a storm back in the 90s, and they just kind of curved up and kept on growing. And these are throughout the Narrows property. Let me show you some more features. People always ask me, what makes the Cottages property so special? It's the elevation. This is one of the few properties in the Narrows that has this beautiful elevation that allows you to see the sunrise in the morning, gorgeous pink sand beach, and the sunsets in the afternoon. So you get sunrise, sunset, beautiful breezes, and whenever the wind's blowing, whatever direction, you're always gonna stay cool. That's what I love about this property. One of the beauties of this house is because of where it sits, you can look right down on the pink sand beach, as well as see the gorgeous sunrises in the morning. At night, you can hear the waves lapping at the shore. Look at the beautiful stars. It just has everything anyone who wants a beachfront property in the Narrows, in Harbour Island, would want. This is the second of the 3 cottages on the Narrows property in Harbour Island. This is the lovely living room, beautiful views of the ocean, beautiful views of the harbor, nice high ceilings, so the room is beautifully airy, just what one would want in a beachfront home. There's a kitchen with ample space for a family to enjoy dinner, breakfast, whatever have you. Everything is built in, your stove, your refrigerator, your cabinetry, lots of storage space for everything needed for the holidays or whenever you spend time on Harbour Island. Let me show you the bedrooms. Of course, you have a full bath with some awesome blue tile, lots of storage on both sides. And one of the loveliest features of this master bedroom is the fact that it has windows on all 3 sides. So you get a view of the ocean, you get a view of the harbor, and of course the sound of the ocean breezes is constant on this property. You're gonna really enjoy it. The high ceilings give the feeling of space also, with windows at the top, so there's nothing missing from this spot. Did I mention a nice porch? So if it's too breezy on one side and you like a little mellower feel, you have a nice seating area on the harbor side, and vice versa, of course. Now this is a third of the cottages. This one, once again, has got a nice little living room area with its kitchen, with refrigerator and freezer built in, a nice little cooktop and sink. You've got a full bath and a bedroom. And remember the feature of all these cottages, beautiful views of the ocean and bathed with palm trees. And I'll tell you a nice little secret about this place also. This was once a recording studio for a top recording artist. So a number of albums were cut right in this structure here in the Narrows. Let me show you what it looks like. Nice living room, built-in kitchen, a little bit of storage space there, and a full bath with a shower. You've got a small laundry room and your bedroom with a view of the ocean and the beautiful palm trees. So this is your tour of the cottages in the Narrows. But keep in mind, this is the only structure that's available for sale on this part of the island. So don't wait too late. I'll be here looking for you when you're ready to give me a call for a tour of the cottages in the Narrows. See you soon.